my name is Aaron. I'm coming at you from Simply Wood Studios in Honolulu, Hawaii, where we have 3 stores just dedicated to art and gifts made in Hawaii. And one of the gifts here, perfect for Father's Day coming up, are the pens that we make in the back here. Back of me we have a workshop. All of our pens are made out of koa wood, and they are chemical and UV protected. What that means is the wood will not fade or change color. We also include many types of inlays in our pens, such as reconstituted turquoise stone or surfboard resin. Yes, this is the same resin that we use to make surfboards with. All of our pens have a standard refill. This group here coincidentally takes a Parker size refill. And in a lot of our designer pens, the plating on the metal hardware is a very durable plating made with titanium oxide, done through a process called physical vapor deposition. Each pen is different and unique. Standard refill again. So come and visit us at Simply Wood Studios in Honolulu, Hawaii, or you can purchase these on our website at www.simplywoodstudios.com. Until next time, talk to you later.